Hello, this is Con Michelle. Here's another video of change the San Fran's direction. We're listening to just top of the motor housing. It's right there. Probably can't flip it. It can't. It's not in this quick chat, but counterclockwise is a twist of change for you. Is like this. And clockwise is like this. But the pitch to the angle but the 12-degree angle of the San Fran's pitch is really at the pointy blade. Just stop the blades right there. There's a 12-degree angle, but some San Fran's have reverse pitch. But what do you think the San Fran's direction? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks for joining us. Bye.